at Customer Training Center in Clayton, we got something called CAT Command. We got 3 different machines that we can run remote control. We can do it line of sight. I've got a belly box, so I can operate this machine. Second way we do it is non-line of sight. Non-line of sight, I can run that machine from anywhere in the world from our total station inside that room. 2 years ago, we were at ConExpo in Las Vegas. I was running a D3 dozer, a 259, and a 938 here in Clayton from Las Vegas.
Oh, okay. Shoot. And that's where your test ground is.
Yeah, that's our little anytime you run anything remote control, we got to bear people out of the way.
Yeah, oh yeah.
So when we put the dozer here, I got to skip off this whole entire field.
Yeah.
Shut down, you can't come over here and I run a dozer on this field.
Yeah.
I can use I got 3D technology, I can put it in just like I can if it was inside the cab.
Yeah.
Using technology.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Yep. These are the 2 new pellet hammers that you're talking about?
Yeah, we got 4 models coming out. That's 2 to 4 models we got.
Yeah.
It should be in launch this past week in Vegas.
Oh, okay.
World of Concrete. They don't go in production. Probably got a year out before we go in production.
Yeah.
But it's kind of like the CTLs, right? The CTLs we're showing.
Yeah.
Then it takes 6 months before we get them full production.
Right.
The 2 models we got in production right now is the 55 and 65. They started production last year.
Oh, okay.
The 75 started production in January. The 285 starts production somewhere in the March time frame.
Oh, okay.
The 285 is going to be the biggest model we ever produce.
Yeah.
111 horsepower.
Oh, wow.
But the machine weighs 13,000 pounds too.
Yeah, yeah. Well, that's good.
It's pretty big for a CTL.
Yeah. I tell the people that don't know what CTL means.
CTL is a compact track loader. All the CTLs, compact track loaders, are produced in Sanford, North Carolina.
All right, what's the SSL?
A skid steer loader.
Okay.
So the rubber tire machines are typically all built in Brazil now. We made a push in North America. 80% of the North American market is track machines. So we did a push for Caterpillar. We started building only CTLs in North America for the North American market. In Brazil, we build all models of CTLs in Brazil. We build 2 models in India.
Okay.
But typically the Indian machines stay in India.
Right, okay.
The smaller ones.
Is that mainly because of the different emissions requirements for the engine?
Emissions requirement, yes, and they like to use the smaller machines that would be more cost effective for their market.
Oh, okay. All right.
We try to build machines where we sell the most of them at.
Right. Oh, that makes sense.
It don't make sense to build a machine in North America and 80% of your market is in Europe.
Yeah.
It don't make sense.
Right.
That's why we quit building backhoes in North America. When we come out with the CI equipment, the compact construction industry, the small machines, the excavators, and the CTLs, it killed the backhoe market.
Yeah.
In Europe, in Australia, the backhoe market is still strong. So we build the backhoes now in Leicester, England.
Yeah.
And we took old loaders from the world and started building here in Clayton. As market and demand started going more for loaders, we got a facility to build small loaders in Brazil and in China, just for the region.
Well, as we were pulling in, we saw backhoes here, though. Is this where you freight them in and distribute from here?
Okay, it works. So here, since we're anything east of the Mississippi River, they come from Leicester, England in sea containers. They come to our facility. They run through our little small assembly line. We put tires on, torque them, put buckets on it, stab feet, and decals and ligatures, and we ship it east of the Mississippi River.
Oh, okay.
Waco, Texas does west of the Mississippi River.
Okay.
So same reason our compact wheel loaders are built across the pond.
Right.
Compact wheel loaders also in telehandlers going to go to that same assembly line to get finished up.
Oh, okay.
Before we go to our dealers.
Yeah.
So anything west of Mississippi is going to this facility.
Yeah.
And typically on that assembly line, they run a day of backhoes, then a day of loaders, and a day of telehandlers to keep the same consistency for the employees.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Pretty neat.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you for sharing.
Yes, sir.